Hi there. I just want to show you today how we made it easier to get started with your ISMS. So as you can see, the product is divided into three main areas: the system vendor management, the GDPR and data protection, and the governance area. If we go into the governance area where you build your ISMS, essentially, you can work with the framework ISO, for example. You can also work with this 18 or other frameworks, but in this example, I will show you how to work with ISO and get started here. You can see the controls that have been loaded in, and you can see that I haven't really started any of these yet. If we go into the first one, the 5.1, which is the main control, I can go in here and I actually get some help getting started. So when I go into the control policies for information security, I need to describe how my company adheres to this control. I can use the suggestion, which I will do here, and I can make it my own, and I can save it. And this describes pretty much how we at Wide Relations work with information security and how we share it with our customers. I now know I need to have a information security policy, and that I can either attach here, and I can add something linked to an existing URL on my SharePoint drive, for example, or I can go in here and use a template from the product. If I choose the template and it already exists, it will be pointed to the information security that is created in the policies area. I can also go in and say I want to do a new policy, but let's say I want to work with the one that actually already is there. I will just select that one and connect it. That is still in draft mode, so I can go in here and I can edit it, publish it, and send it. There's a video on that as well. Let's go back and see. There's also a task that I need to do yearly. So here's a suggestion to review and approve the information security policy. If I choose to use this suggestion, I will get the name of it. I will get a description of what needs to be done. It needs to be reviewed for improvement to the organization's information security based on these things. I can choose to say that this is a control. I can say that I need to revisit it in about a year. Say it's going to be August, and I can say it's a yearly recurring task, and maybe it's not me, but Marie who needs to do this, and I can assign her. When I create the task, I can see the task here, and I can also see it in my task manager, and Marie can see that she needs to do this. Of course, I can create other tasks if I need to visit them, but that is the basics of this new suggestion feature. So with a few clicks, I'm already started, and now I can say that this is in progress.